Hi everyone. So today I am in this video we will be making vegetable pulao, which is different from what I have made before. This is made with basmati rice and it has masala powders unlike the one which I had made previously. So check out the video. I've taken in a medium cooker and keeping the flame as low. I'm going to add in some oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding in black cardamom, roasted cumin powder, few bay leaves, pepper powder, crushed cardamom, few cloves, and a small cinnamon stick, and also a stone flower. Okay, and I'm going to saute this for about a minute. Keep the flame as low. Now turn the flame to medium and add in roughly sliced onions. Add in salt to help onions cook faster. Add a little bit of oil if you feel it is dry, otherwise not required. Mix this well and cook till the onions have turned light brown. Once they have turned light brown, I'm going to add in chopped garlics, also adding in chopped ginger and slit green chilies. All the measurements are in the description box below, check them out. Also adding in a teaspoon of ghee here, giving it a good mix and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. Make sure not to burn anything. After 2 minutes, now I'm going to add in finely chopped tomatoes, turmeric powder, turn the flame to low, red chili powder, coriander powder, mixing all of this well, and we will cover and cook this on low to medium flame till the tomatoes are soft and mushy. So once the tomatoes are cooked well, we will go ahead and add the vegetables. Now I'm adding in chopped carrots, chopped beans, cubed potatoes, also adding in frozen green peas. Mix all of this well together and also add in 3 tablespoons of water. Combine well and cover and cook for 10 minutes. Stir in intervals. So after 10 minutes, you can see that the 3 tablespoons of water that you have added is no more there. It has evaporated. Now I have taken in 2 teaspoons of dry kasuri methi and rubbing in between my palms. I'm putting the powder into this. Also adding in washed basmati rice. Adding in water. Chopped coriander leaves. Just mix well and taste here. This time you will know if a little more salt is required. Adjust the taste by adding salt and squeeze in half a lemon into this at the end. Combine well together completely And now we will pressure cook this for 2 medium whistles since it is a basmati rice. For normal rice it's 3 whistles, for basmati rice 2 whistles. Close the lid, put the weight, and after 2 medium whistles turn off the flame and rest for about 25 minutes. Don't touch it till then. After 25 minutes, once you see that all the pressure is released, remove the weight, open the lid, and your vegetable biryani or vegetable pulao is ready. The recent one that I had made is without any powders and I had to blend few of the ingredients. But here I am using powders and not blending any of them, but the taste is really awesome. You have to go and try it out. It was spicy and it is best had with raita or just by itself. You can see that there is no water at all now. You know, when I show you here, that means it is cooked perfectly. Okay. Using a sharp ladle like this, carefully mix in, because since it's a basmati rice, it will tend to break. So carefully mix in well and serve hot and with raita. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a like, share it among your friends, family, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next time with the upcoming videos. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.